If you haven't heard about us, The Telling Room is a collective of over 150 writers, artists, readers, and teachers who believe children and young adults are natural storytellers.
Okay, are you guys ready? Performers are ready, so here we go, audience! 3, 2, 1, action!
I am a tiny chickadee. I am a tall green pine tree. I am a lobster man. Watch out! I am a lobster man or a lobster woman.
My thoughts travel all alone until the setting sun is gone.
I was in my living room studying when I heard a loud crack. I went out into the living room and saw the door broke down.
When your eyes are not fully open, you will find it is very hard to catch details.
The sky breathes in mottled gray, exhales. Tiny bits of spray greet my face. Fingers frozen in mind dancing, springing from photo to photo, I can't keep from smiling. Trying to imagine this place when it's green. The snow replaced with the summer unseen. Trees with bare fingers reach for the clouds, as if trying to cover their nakedness somehow. I'm taking a walk down memory lane, but this street is new, the memories aren't the same. I'm taking a walk down memory lane, but this street is new, the memories aren't the same. I'm taking a walk down memory lane, but this street is new, the memories aren't the same. I turn the corner on memory lane, reach my back door and enter the room from which I came.
I want to say one other thank you to everyone here who came, because the whole idea of The Telling Room is based on the fact that we give a real audience to the work of these students, and that's what we're doing here tonight. So thank you for giving them that audience.